How do you get all that out? I can't. I'm sorry.
All right, guys, let's go over what 3 knots we can use when tying stuff to hooks, regardless of whether you're doing pan fishing, bass, or freshwater to saltwater fishing. These are going to be the 3 easiest, most versatile knots you can do. We're going to be using shoelaces. The first thing I'm going to show you is called the polymer knot. Say this is the hook right there. Nope, let's use something else. Okay, chat, we've got a lock. First thing I'm going to show you is the polymer knot. You take the main line, the end of you're going to stick it in. Boom. Right, this is the hook. You're going to grab the hook with this hand. You're going to take the line back in and grab it with this hand. Now you should look like this. You're going to get closer to the end of the tail, and then you're going to cross it in through the loop, around the hook, and then you'll pull tight. Boom, that is a polymer knot. Think this one through. At this point, you would just clip off your line about right here, about an inch away from the lure or the hook. Anyways, on to the next knot. Oh my, come on. Welcome to the next knot. Well, we're still going to use with shoelaces and a lock to do this with. The next one is going to be called a universal knot. Once again, hook, main line, in. Put the hook somewhere further down. So it should look like this. Tip, main line, where this goes off to your fishing pole and then to your fishing reel. You're going to grab like this. Cross it at the top. Main tip, main line, hook, cross. From here, you're going to wrap the top around. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minimum of 4 times. And then you're going to pull the tail and the main line. Boom. That is a uni knot. And then you would just clip it right here. Now we're going to go to my new favorite knot, the reverse San Diego knot. Go see him. Right. Welcome back with my lock and string. And I'm going to show you the reverse San Diego knot. Right. So you take the tip of your line, stick it through your hook. There, reverse San Diego knot. Tip of your line, your hook, in. Hold it with 1 finger, hold it with 2, boom. That's how it should look. And then we're gonna swap fingers. You don't have to, I am. See how this is? I'm gonna stick my finger out with the main line, because this is the tip, remember? I'm gonna come over, boom. It should be a cross right there. But guess what? This is where it becomes fun. Now we're gonna stick our other finger between the hook right here. And then we're gonna have the main tip, the tail end, go around 3 or 4 or 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're going to hold and pinch right here. We're going to have this go through this, where this hole is by the hook, and then it is going to come up to the top hole that we've had our finger in, and then we're going to slowly grab the tail end and then the main line, and we're going to pull with the hook. Right? Boom. Reverse San Diego knot. On to the next clip. Everybody, I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. I will see you guys on the next video.
got mail. You've got mail.